Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a £2 coin hunt. Well, a £2, £1 and 50p coins. These are all coins from the Isle of Man and they're all commemoratives. Now the portraits are virtually the same on most of these coins. So on the back of this one we have a set of naive paintings of a ceremony that is in the Isle of Man. This coin is quite rare. There aren't an awful lot of them, and this coin took me a while to track down. I saw it on one of the other channels. I'm not sure which one now. I've had these coins lying around for a couple of years now, and I've never got around to recording a video about them. But I liked this coin when I saw it, and I thought I want it in my collection, so I've managed to get it. The second coin, this one is from the Isle of Man again, and it is from 2017. It has a later portrait of the Queen, and on the back we have the castle. Refuge Castle. Around the top we have some Celtic type design, running rope design, and you have the castle with the seagulls or seabirds in the centre of the silver part of the coin. Then at the top here we have the Isle of Man Triskelion. Then the bottom half you have the £2 in the other half round. And the two half rounds are interlinked with Celtic rope type work. The third coin, which is another £2 coin, and the last of the £2 coins, is from 1998. On the reverse we have something that the Isle of Man is famous for. We normally have the motorbikes from the TT. This is from the car version of the TT, and we have several racing cars, the front one being the largest one of them, and then they slowly seem to be going back as if they're chasing him. Talking about TTs, if this is a year that I think it is, it's 97. Yeah, this is a 1997 50p. And of course it is the TT racing bikes. These travel at an extraordinary speed around the roads of the Isle of Man, and if you're in the way, God help you, you ain't going to get out of the way quick enough. These bikes, they close the roads down and all sorts, so these bikes can go herring round. And there are people that have been known to be injured and killed at least at the side watching them race round. It's getting a rare occurrence now, but it has happened in the past. This coin is from 2015 and is the last of the 50p's, the first one being the 1997 Boy Racers, and this one is Milner's Tower. This is Milner's Tower, isn't it? Yeah, Milner's Tower. Now this is just a bag of coins that I had that were all Isle of Man. I also found one Guernsey one in there with them, but I'll do that in a second just to show you what it is. There we have quite an early portrait of the Queen, and this £1 coin is from 1994. Here we go, from 1994. On the back of this one is a communication device. A very old looking communication device. It's like a brick, looks like a brick, and the first mobile phones were bricks basically. They looked like bricks. The reception was okay, but it was limited due to the fact there weren't many of them and there weren't many cell towers bouncing the signals everywhere. So this was a thing they used to carry them around in suitcases, because some of them with the battery and antenna and everything else could, would fit in a suitcase. The very first ones did. This one I think was the first handheld one. And the other £1 coin is from 1998, and again it's the same portrait of the Queen, a slightly older portrait, sorry, of the Queen than the first one. And on the reverse you have a set of wickets, cricket pads, a bat and a ball, all representing cricket. Why this particular coin was brought out in this particular year as a commemorative, I think it's a commemorative anyway, I don't really know, because the World Cups weren't around in 1998 or anything like that, so it's a bit difficult to know what to say about that. Well, that ends the Isle of Man coins. However, in this bag I also found this coin. It's a £2 coin, and it's an IRB portrait of the Queen, and it is from Guernsey, the Bailiwick of Guernsey. It's dated 1998. So you have the ear-ranked Broadley portrait there on the £2 coin. It's from 1998. On the reverse we find a £2 at the top. We have a £2 written around the top. We have the date at the bottom. I'm not sure what's on the two sides. Let me just have a look for a second. On the sides here, they're both registering as £2. The centre part of the coin I think is the same sort of thing as we have on our own £2 Technologies coins. I think it seems to be like almost holographic. I can't quite make out what the different things are though. Now I don't know whether this was like a commemorative or whether it is the standard £2 coin of Guernsey at that time. I hadn't been able to find that out before I did this video. So if you know, please put it in the comments below. I do actually like this coin, and when I saw it on the web I couldn't resist it. Now that fulfills this coin hunt. Let me just widen out a bit. There we go. That fulfills this particular video and the coin hunt. If you've enjoyed it, please give me the thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed, please think about doing so. Neither of those two things will cost you a penny. I'm trying to grow my subscriber base again. I set myself earlier on this year a target of 100 by Christmas/New Year. I'm very fortunate to be able to say that I have already reached 100, and I think I have something like 110, and this is the first week in November. So I hit my target early. However, I still want to grow my channel, and I will probably, amongst my New Year's honorary things that I want to do and achieve, name a new target for next year. Now, I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you enjoy, or should I say a minimum of 4 videos a week. I will be doing more later on this year as we approach Christmas. So, if you are having a hunt. I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins on the wherever you're buying them from, to be truthful, I hope you can get them for the price you want to pay. And I'd like to thank you for viewing this video, and hope to meet you again very shortly in another video on this channel. But until that happens, from me, bye bye. Ta-ra now.